Fleet Museum. We offer daily tours of some of the most celebrated Starfleet vessels to have ever ventured among the stars. Our staff is dedicated to preserving and restoring starship history. And today, you will have the chance to step aboard one of the finest vessels that Starfleet has ever produced, the USS Enterprise NCC 1701D. Originally under the command of Captain Jean-Luc Picard, we've been implementing several accommodations to the Enterprise D to help meet the needs of museum visitors, including assigned group zones and increased capacity on turbolifts. A shuttlecraft is waiting for you up ahead, fueled and ready to fly you here to the Fleet Museum and onto the Enterprise D. On behalf of Starfleet and the United Federation of Planets, we hope that your tour of the Enterprise D will inspire a future among the stars. Enjoy your visit.
All right, Group A, you are clear to board. Group A. Clear to board. Right now this way. Yes. Board.
Make sure to stay with your tour group as well. Notice that we do have two joining us today. Hello, welcome aboard. Now, show of hands. Is this anyone's first time on a starship?
Attention, Shuttle Bay 3.
Wow, a lot of you.
Groups
All right. Well, I will be the first to welcome you all aboard the Enterprise D. We're going to begin our tour with this lovely view provided by our Atmospheric Containment Field, or ACF for short. Anybody recognize that starship docked out there? No? That is none other than the Enterprise A, also known as Kirk's Enterprise. And as you've learned, everyone say that, please.
Proximity alert. Unknown entity.
Okay, everyone please remain calm, alright? Whatever that thing is, it cannot get in. Just in case. Shuttle Bay 3 to bridge, we have an unknown entity bracing on ACF. I'm not sure what I'm looking at.
Warning. Anomaly detected in Shuttle Bay 3.
Is everyone alright? Oh, that is really not it. Everyone have all evacuate the shuttle, right? I'm gonna stick the air stays there. Fine, all the way in, please. Yes, alright, everyone in? Is everyone alright? Yes? Okay, good. We should be safe in here. This is not a part of the tour. We are trying to figure out what's going on as quickly as we possibly can. Okay, that cannot be right. There's nobody... Let me see. Maybe there's some kind of a... No? No unusual readings there. Let me try... Come on. All of this old tech and none of it works right. What in the neutral zone is going on here? Computer, analyze the energy signature of the interference. Is it isolated to this area?
Negative. Anomaly present on decks 12 through 15, 16, 17.
How is that possible? There are no readings indicating any kind of
Attention all
unusual...
decks. Yellow alert.
Yellow alert! Okay, that is not good. Whatever this thing is, it's on the move. Sick bay to engineering.
Unable to complete transmission.
Great, now something's interfering with my comm badge. Alright, everyone, I'm going to send you directly to engineering. If anyone here can figure out how to get systems back online, it will be them. Head straight through these corridors, stay in your tour groups, and be careful. We'll figure this out, alright? Go as quickly and safely as you can, everyone. Engineering will know how to fix this. They'll get you safe.
situation, but we'll figure it out. Even though a tour group should not be in here.
It doesn't matter, they're here now.
What is this thing?
Whatever it is spreading to nearly every system on the ship.
Can you find a way to slow it down?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Access denied.
This thing keeps locking me out of systems override. Oh, we
You
can
can reverse the polarity of the system.
Of course.
It's destabilizing.
We're losing magnetic containment.
Careful near the warp core.
Warp core critical. Yes, transporters.
Nothing's responding. Red alert. Warp core critical. Immediate evacuation.
Which means we need to get everyone off of this ship now.
This is turbulence.
Quickly.
Fall to the turbulence. Quickly and safely.
This is not
Translation request confirmed. Establishing comms.
Who's doing that?
It is the entity. It is accessing the ship's universal
Stand
transmitter.
by for incoming transmission.
Greetings. We mean you no harm. We apologize for concern. We were curious, fascinated by your kind.
Computer, scan and identify the entity.
There is currently no entry for this life form in the Federation database.
What?
You two were born of the stars. You will be remembered until next we meet.
Did we just make first contact?
Yes. Yes. We need your forces to Starfleet Command.
First, let us get all of you to the transporters. Ready to transport, sending a tour group your way. Live long and prosper.